This literature kit on Catching Fire by Suzanne Collins exposes students to the challenges and intricacies behind a rebellion against an oppressive state. The vocabulary activities make this resource and the novel accessible for all students. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Make predictions about the plot based on what is already known about the characters. Describe moments where Katniss questions herself and explain her reasoning. Students put themselves in Katniss's shoes and imagine what she would be thinking when the terms of the Quarter Quell are revealed. Identify statements of the setting as true or false. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Students become a game maker and design the arena for the 100th Hunger Games. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Students complete a wedge graphic organizer by identifying some of the symbolism found throughout the novel. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.